Nuclear property is radioactivity. Heavy water is type of moderator. Radioactive metal which is largest deposit in India, thorium. Hydrogen bomb was developed by Edward Taylor. Award given for significant contribution in award of atomic energy, Homi Bhabha Award. SI unit of radioactivity, becquerel. Feasible fuel in nuclear reactor, U-235. In the field of physics chemistry, Madame Curie won the Nobel Prize. It is treatment of cancer, isotope of cobalt, not a radioactive element, titanium. Madame Curie received Nobel Prize for discovery of radium. The chemical bond in which molecules are formed by combining atom, covalent bond. Who invented radioactivity? Henry Becquerel. Pitch blende related to uranium. Radium is obtained from mineral pitch blende. Who discovered atomic force? तो Hideo Oboka. Radioactive metal which is discovered in 1789, atomic number 92, उसका नाम यूरेनियम है. Energy obtained from atom, nuclear energy. Type of radiation emitted from carbon-14, beta. In 1911, he discovered experimental relation between half-life of alpha decay and energy of emitted alpha particle, Gigor and neutral. Francium is highly radioactive. Its longest lived isotope 22 FR has a high life of only 21 minutes. Method of age determination called radioactivity uranium dating cannot be determined to determine the age of fossil and plant bodies. Peptide bond is formed between amino groups and carboxylic groups. Oxide of calcium having high boiling point, CaO. Incorrect about ionic compound. They are solid because of weak force of attraction. Electrons shared by one carbon atom with carbon in CO2, 2. Element belong to period 2. Number of valence electron, 2. The two element containing same number of valence electron, fluorine and chlorine, does not contain covalent bond, NOH. Total number of same shared electron in N2, 6. Valency of carbon, 4. Covalent bond do not exhibit porosity. They are not soluble in organic. They are not soluble in organic solvent. Number of total electrons shared by 3 carbon atom with all hydrogen atom, 8. प्रोपेन में 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन शेयर करता है. द 3 वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन एल्युमिनियम. एटॉमिक नंबर वैलेंसी ऑफ सल्फर 16 एंड 12. कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड को नहीं दिखाते हैं, MgCl2. नंबर ऑफ वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन इवेंट सोनन जैसे डाउन जाते हैं. पॉजिटिव आयन को कैटायन कहते हैं. डिसाइडिंग फैक्टर वैलेंसी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आउटर में सेल. आयनिक कंपाउंड का हाई मेल्टिंग पॉइंट होता है. पॉजिटिव चार्ज को कैटायन कहते हैं. कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड